This crispy and delicious homemade cereal is so good and so easy to make, I don't even buy cereal anymore. It is also a healthier option, made with oats and peanut butter and just a few simple ingredients.
Let me show you how to make it.
First, take a mixing bowl and add half a cup of smooth peanut butter. Then add half a cup of honey for sweetness. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together until it looks smooth and no streaks left. If it seems a little firm at first, keep mixing and it should come together. Next, add 1 1/3 cups of oat flour to the peanut butter mixture. Then add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. Then mix everything again until it looks evenly combined with no dry spots left. The mixture will still look a little crumbly, which is normal, but it should hold together when you press it. If it still feels too loose, keep mixing a little more. Then, use your hands to press it together and shape it into a smooth ball, like you see in the video here. Next, cut the dough into manageable portions and place it on your work surface. And then, use a rolling pin to roll it out to about 1/8 of an inch thick, which is just a bit less than half a centimeter. Rolling it this thin helps make the cereal nice and crispy. If the dough is too thick, the pieces will not crisp up as well. If you have some small shape cutters and lots of time, you can use those to make nice little shapes. But because I make this cereal so often and like to keep it fast and easy, I usually just cut the dough into small squares instead. Place the cereal squares on a cookie sheet and bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 13 to 15 minutes until the cereal looks a little darker and feels crisp around the edges. Your kitchen will smell absolutely amazing while they bake. Warm, chocolatey, and toasty. Once the cereal is cool and crispy, it is ready to eat. I like to eat it with milk, but it is also super yummy as a crispy snack on its own. It has such a nice crunch, and it is really hard not to keep grabbing a few more pieces. If you like this healthy, homemade, crispy cereal, then check out these other recipes here on my channel too. I have lots of other easy homemade recipes there that are simple, delicious, and fun to make.